Did you know that just two simple words can completely transform how women view you? That's right. A short, straightforward phrase can shift the dynamic of any interaction and make you irresistibly magnetic. Today, I'll show you how to use these two words effectively and why they work so well. This isn't magic, it's psychology. When used correctly, these words demonstrate confidence, clarity, and intent, three qualities that women find deeply attractive. Here's the best part. I'll walk you through how to incorporate this strategy into your daily life to make a noticeable impact. So stick with me, and let's uncover the secret to building stronger, more meaningful connections with women. Before we dive in, if you find value in content like this, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. Your support helps me continue creating content that empowers you, and it signals to others that this is worth their time too. So, can I count on your support? Let's get started. The biggest mistake most men make. Many men make the common mistake of being too accommodating or unsure when interacting with women. Phrases like, "We can do whatever you want," or "I don't know, what do you think?" might seem harmless, but they give off an impression of uncertainty. Here's the harsh truth. Being overly flexible can make you come across as lacking confidence. Women are naturally drawn to men who know what they want and aren't afraid to express it. That's where these two simple words come into play. I want. Why these words work? On the surface, I want might seem too simple, but the power lies in what they represent. These words are decisive, direct, and showcase leadership, traits that women admire in a partner. Saying, "I want" communicates. 1. Confidence. You know what you want, and you're not afraid to say it. 2. Clarity. You're not beating around the bush or sending mixed signals. 3. Leadership. You're taking charge in a way that makes others feel secure and respected. It's not about being bossy or controlling. It's about showing intent and decisiveness, qualities that are universally appealing. How to use "I want" in real life. Saying "I want" is easy, but the real magic happens when you apply it in your daily conversations. Let me show you how to use it effectively. 1. When asking her out. Instead of saying something vague like, "Maybe we could hang out sometime if you're free," try this: "I want to take you to dinner this Friday." See the difference? The first example sounds uncertain, while the second is confident and direct. 2. When starting a conversation. Avoid timid openers like, "I was wondering if you'd like to grab coffee sometime." Instead say, "I want to get to know you better. How about we grab a coffee this week?" This approach makes your intentions clear and shows genuine interest. 3. In a relationship. Even in established relationships, "I want" can work wonders. For example, instead of saying, "Whatever you want is fine," say, "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. Let's plan something together." This shows initiative and reinforces your commitment to the relationship. Balancing confidence with respect. Here's the important part. Confidence doesn't mean being demanding or self-centered. Using "I want" shouldn't come across as pushy or controlling. Instead, it should feel like an open invitation for connection. For example, if you say, "I want to have dinner tomorrow," and she responds with, "I'm not sure I can," don't react negatively. Instead say, "I understand. How about Saturday instead?" This shows flexibility and respect for her preferences while maintaining your decisiveness. It's a balance between being assertive and considerate. What happens when you use this strategy? When you start using "I want" consistently, something interesting happens. People, including women, begin to see you differently. You'll come across as more confident, assured, and in control of your life. Women value these qualities because they signal stability and leadership. And remember, the delivery matters just as much as the words themselves. Your tone and attitude are key. Speak with confidence, but remain friendly and approachable. Avoid sounding demanding or like you're issuing orders. Keep your tone warm and engaging to create a positive impression. Here's your challenge. I want you to put this into practice starting today. Make it a goal to use "I want" 5 times a day, whether in small situations or bigger ones. It could be with friends, coworkers, or even casual conversations. For example, instead of saying, "Whatever works," say, "I want to go with option A." Instead of saying, "What do you think?" say, "I want to hear your perspective on this." By practicing this daily, you'll begin to develop a natural confidence that people will notice and respect. What's next? This technique isn't just about words. It's about mindset. When you say, "I want," you're training yourself to be more decisive, intentional, and self-assured. But knowing the technique isn't enough. You need to apply it consistently to see results. So here's what I'd love for you to do. 1. Drop a comment below sharing how you plan to use "I want" this week. 2. Describe a situation where you think this strategy could make a difference. 3. Come back at the end of the week and let us know how it worked for you. The phrase "I want" might seem simple, but its impact can be profound. It's a way to show leadership, build connections, and exude confidence, all while remaining respectful and considerate of others. If you found value in this video, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Remember, every step you take towards building your confidence brings you closer to your best self. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.